Due to the failure of the National Treasury to disburse the funds, county governments will not be able to deliver services as expected.
Oyo niguo mukana uria warutirwo ni kanjũ ya magavana kiumia githiru wigie gucerithĩrio gwa kĩgĩna kĩrĩa thirikari cia kaunti igayagĩrwo ni thirikari nene. Mukana uyu ugicũngĩrĩria gũtabanio kwa mũcemanio gatagatĩ ga kanjũ ĩno na minista wa kĩgĩna Professor Njũgũna Ndung'u ũmũthĩ, na ũiguano wa kinyanĩrio wa ũrĩa mbeca ici cia kwanjĩrĩria mweri wa gatatũ cikũrekererio kũrĩ thirikari cia matũra.
The March allocation will be disbursed by 15th of May 2023, and the April allocation will be disbursed by end of May.
Kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ thirikari nĩ ĩrarekereirie ciringi birioni 31.5 cia mweri wa kerĩ, na rĩu kũrĩ na thirĩ wa ciringi birioni 29.6 cia mweri wa gatatũ na ciringi birioni 33.3 cia mweri wa kana.
The disbursements for May and June will be issued in the first 2 weeks of June to allow counties to absorb these resources within the financial year. We have also agreed to explore short-term measures aimed at cushioning counties to ensure continuity in service delivery as well as prevent industrial unrest.
Governor maugĩte atĩ marageria gũtengerania na mahinda mbere ya mwaka wa kĩgĩna wa 2022 na 2023 thirĩte, na ũguo makoria ministry ya kĩgĩna kũrekereria kĩgĩna na ihinda rĩrĩa maiguithanĩirie.
There is a time lag between when Treasury releases monies and when governors or counties access, because it has to go through a process.
We have agreed with the National Treasury that there will be prompt in ensuring timely disbursements to counties.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kanjũ ĩno nĩ yanĩrĩire kũmba kamĩtĩ ya magavana 10 arĩa megũtongoria mĩario ya kũgeria kũiguithania mwena wa Kenya Kwanza na Azimio na kũnina ũrugarĩ wa kĩũteti ũrĩa marauga nĩ ũrathingithia mĩrutĩre ya wĩra kaunti-inĩ.
And the purpose of the committee will be to engage the leaders from the two political divides to address the ongoing demonstrations and amicable solutions to ensure stability in the country.
We believe that when people talk, solutions are found, and we want to be part of finding that solution.
Magavana arĩa magũkorwo kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩno nĩ Anne wa igũrũ wa Kirinyaga, Ahmed Abdullahi wa Wajir, Stephen Sang wa Nandi, Kenneth Lusaka wa Bungoma, Fatuma Chani wa Kwale, Mutahi Kahiga wa Nyeri, Simba Arati wa Githii, Joseph Olelenku wa Kajiado, Wavinya Ndeti wa Machakos na Ochilo Ayako wa Migori.
Much as we put pressure on Treasury to raise money, as a country we should be making it difficult for them to do so. And this is why we are willing to engage both sides of the divide.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani wa Ngũnjiri.